So I opened Unity and nothing worked. I started off by watching, of course, as you know, V.K.S. And when I watched him for the first time, I didn't really wanted to make any games. I just watched him because he was a good YouTuber. Hope he continues. But when I watched it, I thought that yeah, I can also do that and maybe make next GTA. Well, that went well. So I started off working on small projects like the Bracky's tutorial uh, and some other tutorials starting off with 2D, then went into 3D. The temple run sort of thing I made, and right off the bat, I made a huge mistake that you should not do. I thought that yeah, I think I'm good, and let's start off making a car game. That was my big mistake. So I opened Unity and nothing worked. Yeah, in a nutshell, I screwed up pretty bad. So yeah, this is how I started off. Then I turned Unity off, and that's it. After many months, I started off making another game. I thought this time I would go for the 2D game. Actually, it wasn't exactly a 2D game. It was more like 2.5D game because the characters were 3D models. And this actually turned out to be pretty good. The VFX looked good, the models looked good, etc., etc., etc. So I started off writing a story. Yeah, I started off writing a story. The story was pretty simple. Of course, humanity has screwed up, so our uh, crew has to go to another planet to get resources. Yeah, as simple as that. And on that planet, they find these aliens, etc., etc., and simply get the resource. Yeah, link in the description. You can download it. It's currently on. It's a pretty good game, story based. Yeah. Anyways, I was in the college. I had C++, etc. So programming wasn't really my biggest problem. It was a big problem, but not that big of a deal. Although the biggest problem that I faced was character models. I know how to model. I have some assets on Play Store, but I didn't really know how to model such a bulk amount because in a game you need a lot of sprites, a lot of models. I mean, a lot of everything. So yeah, simple. Google. So I found Sketchfab, and that is exactly where I found all of my models. And oh, by the way, a uh, huge information I want to give to everyone. Whenever you are getting someone else's model, make sure you give them credit. And after I made the game, of course, though it wasn't so easy. I had screwed up a lot of time, and a lot of time I thought I should just leave this, but I didn't, and I continued. Anyway, the gameplay you're currently looking at is actually the Alien Defense Atara gameplay. I might release the second part of it later. So yeah, publishing on Play Store was also pretty dang difficult. You really thought it would be so easy. Just export APK and nah. Just exporting the bundle file was a lot of frustration. At first, the Google Play just didn't accept it, and then yeah, it was a lot of hassle. But finally, somehow, I made it. I have already released like three games: Walls, Alien Defense, and Max Runner. All of them are pretty okay, pretty good game actually. They are pretty addictive, and you don't know what's gonna happen next. But yeah, that is actually how yeah, that's actually how I made my first game and released it on Play Store. after screwing up a lot of time. I guess, yeah, that would be just about it. All my games links in the description. You can download it. Yeah, peace out.